How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another lockdown video. If you guys have been following along, just pulling out a bunch of old footage that I've never uploaded before that has been on an old hard drive. So this is older footage from either last year or 2 years ago, and I went to San Vicente. I was throwing big baits. That's all I ended up bringing for that day was 2 rods and a few different big baits. Went out there and ran into a bunch of different schools of fish. It was probably the best day I've had out there throwing the big baits, numbers wise. I ran into 4 or 5 fish. I can't remember exactly, but I ended up getting really lucky, just being in the right place at the right time. These fish were schooled up and they were herding the shad, chasing them to the surface, and then coming up and exploding on the surface, boiling on top, kind of showing their hand, letting me know where they were. I was within casting distance on almost all these fish. Threw a big wake bait out there, and eventually they would come up and hit it. There was, I think, 2 fish where that didn't happen, and just reeling next to structure, they'd come out and grab it. But again, one of my better days I've ever had throwing the big baits for numbers. So thought I'd share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Stay healthy, stay inside, and the sooner we can all do this, the sooner we can get back out on the water. Make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave a thumbs up and a comment, and I'd really appreciate it. But let's get to it.
Whoa.